Watch what you're doing. You have to watch what you're doing.
Daddy,
You'll cut your hand.
Daddy,
Yeah?
I was watching this.
Goosebumps. What are you doing, Kooks?
Cutting the skin.
What are you, angry, chef? Kooks, what you doing? What are you doing now?
I'm cutting the skin.
Of what? The chicken?
No,
Cutting what skin?
the potato.
The what?
The potato.
Okay. And what's that next to you on the counter?
Potato.
And what are you going to do with that potato?
I'm gonna measure it up.
You're going to mudger it up?
Oh, my potato fell on the floor.
Can I cut the other two?
No.
Okay.
No,
Can I
no.
finish this one and you start the next one?
Here.
Okay.